This tutorial will cover some of the basic functions of the Glory Cashinfinity CI300 cash machine. We will briefly go over the steps on how to log into the main menu, withdraw your cash bank, and make a cash sales deposit at the end of your shift. The Glory Cashinfinity CI300 is equipped with a menu system that can be navigated using its touchscreen and an automatic counter and dispenser system for quick and accurate withdrawals and deposits for both bills and coins. To start using your new CI300, we must begin by logging in using our assigned user ID and password. Remember to use the Enter key and continue on to the next field. The field will be cleared if you select the next field using the touchscreen. Once you have successfully logged in, you will find yourself in the main menu where you can select the procedure you wish to complete. Cash withdrawal. We will start with selecting the withdrawal button. You may have a choice between a predetermined bank or a customized one, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we will select the predetermined one. Once pressed, the machine will automatically count and dispense the bills on the top of the bill machine. When the machine stops dispensing the bills, you may retrieve them by grasping the bills firmly and pull them straight out. The coins will be counted and dropped into the individual coin bays in the coin tray located at the bottom of the machine. Those can be retrieved by pulling the door straight out and lifting the coin tray up and out. Next, you can then replace it with the empty coin tray and close the door behind it in order to continue onto the next menu screen. The Cashinfinity CI300 will then automatically print out a receipt indicating the amount withdrawn and a manifest of what bills and coins were dispensed. The last step of the withdrawal process is to press the log off button in order to complete the transaction. A feature of the cash tray is that each bay can be pulled out individually for ease of cash handling. Cash deposit. The next function of the Glory Cashinfinity CI300 is the deposit feature. You must log in again and select the deposit button when you get to the main menu. The CI300 will open its bill bay at the top of the bill machine and is ready for your deposit. Tap the stack of bills on the tray for the top to remove any debris or foreign objects that may damage the bill counter. Place the stack of bills into the bill dispenser and the CI300 will automatically count the bills and display the total on the screen. Next, you may place the coins on the sifter area on the top of the coin machine. Move the coins around to remove any debris or foreign objects that may damage the coin counter. Once sifted, push the coins into the counter mechanism and the machine will automatically count the coins and the new total will be displayed on the screen. Once all the cash has been deposited, press the next button, followed by the Finish button. The system will return to the main menu and automatically print a deposit receipt for the date and time amount and manifest of the bills and coins deposited. The last step to conclude your deposit is to log off the machine by pressing the Log Out button. Rejected notes. You may encounter bills that get rejected due to various reasons, such as folds, damage, heavily marked bills, or bills that are stuck to one another. Remove the rejected bills from the bay, inspect them for any of the aforementioned criteria, then straighten or replace the suspect notes and place them on the bill counter. The bill counter will automatically count and deposit them and add the amount to the deposit total on the screen. Enjoy your new Glory Cashinfinity CI300 and thank you for watching this tutorial.